video presentation of Sprint 2 for the IT 641 class. Let me introduce my team members. My name is Luis Andrade, and other teammates are uh, Tarindu, William, Ryan, and Nandani. Uh, here's our members available hours was actual hours, and here you can see we put think this is a simple sprint, and we assign only 8 hours, but actually we work more than that hours. And here's the our Jira. In Sprint 2, we divide this project planning into 4 Scrum, and you can see each epic divided into several child issues. You can see Sprint 2 deliverables has the 5 child issues in here. And here's our backlog in Jira, and we will implement these tasks in future sprints. Here's our PERT chart for the entire project, and uh, we develop this PERT chart using a Lucid chart. And right now we are in the Power BI analysis phase, and it took us 2 weeks to do the Power BI analysis. Uh, Here's our Grant chart. This is the Grant chart which we develop using an extension in Jira. This displays the task and assignee of the task, and also you can see some tasks we done already in here, and also we included a story point for this sprint. Here's our burn down chart. We put 12 story point for our task, and you can see most of the our tasks are done in late of the sprint. Here's our roadmap for the entire project, and also you can see some dependencies in each epics. And for examples, we have to we have to we can't do million of record unless we done Power BI use cases. And here's our Trello board, uh, and here are some three main card. First card we use for the what went well, and second card we use for the what didn't go well, and third card we use for the uh, how can we improve those tasks if it didn't well go. And we are going to use this sprint to this Trello board to uh, for some other task also. And here is our Scrum 1. We done that Scrum in January 23, and basically we done install Power BI tool into laptops and get their Power BI connected to the SQL server mainly. And in second Scrum, we implemented assign queries in Power BI before the next Scrum. However, for the Scrum 3 also we have to do some implementation for the Power BI, and also we discussed the how we migrate non-fuzzy tables from Oracle to SQL, and how can we uh, e- extend our database strategy for the OS 3. And here's our data model we develop using the Power BI. Most table are related to the WT net through employee number. Uh, Here's our use cases. We show this one in sprint 1 also. We develop these 5 use cases, and we are going to implement this in uh, Power BI also. Here's the main part we done for the this sprint for the using Power BI, and I'll also show you some examples in here. uh, if you go to the uh, ta- these tables we created for query 1, query 2, query 3, and like 9 queries we implemented in here. And if you think query 1, it will do the list of the employees based on their performance. And if you want to find out what are the decision for only for the branch 1, branch 100, you need to go over here and select the branch 100. Then it will filter down for only for the branch 100. Then you can see uh, what are the decision for the each employee. And just like that, we create some graphs in here. And for the query 10, query 12, and query 13 and query 14. And if you go to the query 12, it will show the employees fuzzy decision categories by states. uh, this we set the our set rule for the one, and uh, we need to set our mom set for the one or two. We'll see what will happen if we set the one it to one or two. So it will filter down only to distance set rule 1 and fuzzy mum set 1 or 2. Then you can check the uh, how the employees fuzzy decision categories by state for these set rule 1 and for fuzzy mem set 1 or 2. I'll go back to our sprint. And here's the use case. When we implemented our use case, we found out when we implemented our use case, we found out branch 100 and 105 look like the best based on their total number for every gross sales and gross products and gross orders also. But however, when we get an average per employee, branch one, you can see 105 has the five is the most efficient branch in here for all the gross sales and gross products and gross orders also. So here's our uh, OS expansion strategy. We think to migrate relevant non-fuzzy tables from Oracle to SQL and identify the missing non-fuzzy tables. And second, we thought create dummy data using Python script, and also randomize some customer orders, employee sales, new customers, and employees with respect to existing datasets. And also we are going to do add data yearly and adjusting fuzzy ranges for each year. And we can find out the balance in decision, not too many firing or no decision, then we can handle those kind of things. And finally, we are going to use stored procedure to automate as much as possible while maintaining the integrity of the database. uh, that's all for this sprint. Thank you very much.